Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to do chicken curry style of mama, yeah. Okay, you see this chicken, white chicken. Okay, here got two whole chicken cut into piece. Okay, firstly you need to wash this chicken nicely. Okay, we throw off those bacteria we don't want. Okay, I use two of this lime. They call it a kasturi lime. Okay, you just cut it on the top part like that. Okay, like that. You cut it. Okay, put that here. Cut the top part away. Okay, and you can rub the chicken skin. Rub the chicken skin here all over. Okay, you see, rub it. Okay, the chicken won't be smell like lime, and it won't be sour also. This is just a procedure of cleaning the drumstick. Okay, we clean it up, wipe it up, clean it up. Okay, the skin. Okay, see. We clean it up all thoroughly clean. Okay, then we squeeze the existing lime juice to our palm, and then we put the lime juice. Okay, this one we don't want, we throw it away. Okay, now we open the water, wash it, rinse it, wash and rinse. Okay, we rinse away all the lime, kasturi lime. Okay. So make sure all the chicken parts, you throw it away, all the dirty parts and all the inner part you just wash, and make sure you rinse with water 2 or 3 times. Okay, so after the finish of the rinsing, we will transfer this chicken to the colander to drip out all the existing water. Okay, we don't want all the existing water. Okay, and next I will talk about the chicken feet. This is chicken feet. Okay, you can see the chicken nail here. They won't scratch you. Okay, if you like to have a chicken feet in your curry, in your meal, you make sure you clean out all the chicken feet, because the chicken like to dig the food with this feet. Okay, firstly we will cut off the nail. Okay, the nail is the most hygienic. Okay, we cut up like this. Use the scissor, cut it off the nail. Okay, cut it off. Okay, this is good, it's clean. Okay, put it one side. Okay, the next one, cut it off the nail. Same thing, same procedure. Okay, now it's gone. Another one here. Okay, now gone. All the nail is gone. Okay, do the same thing. All over, same thing all over again. Okay, another one feet. The same procedure. The same procedure you do. Okay, this is good now. And here got the chicken head. We don't want this chicken head. Okay, okay, I got 2 lime here. I want to scrub the chicken feet. Okay, until it's white fair. Okay, I scrub. You see, I scrub it off. Okay, I don't want to have a bacteria here. I scrub it off. Okay, this is the thing that we have to do when we like to eat chicken feet. go to the next episode. Hi, now we go to the next step is the potato. The curry chicken, we need potato for the combination. They are good friend, always good friend. Curry chicken with potato. So potato already washed, golden. Okay, now I want to peel off the skin. Okay, now we do the peel off the skin. Okay, after you peel off the skin, you need to soak in the cold water. Okay, cold water because we don't want existing potato, they call it powder, they will come out, those powder from the this one skin and also the meat. Okay, to prevent they are dry with powder, we must stand by cold water. Cold water to soak this potato. Okay, then we will do the cut into chunk or wedges. The best for curry is chunk, big chunk of potato they like. So one is ready. We need the water, cold water. Just put it inside like this. Okay, soak it like this, and then we will finish up to peeling the rest of the potato. And before the peeling off, I want to introduce you all the ingredients for the curry chicken. Okay, come to my front here. Here is the garlic and shallots. Okay, here got black pepper, fennel, coriander seed. Okay, this also a fennel, also same. Okay, and over here I got a chicken stock to boost up the umami taste. And here also the mainly thing is the cinnamon stick, cardamom pot. Okay, I got this clove and halber. They call it a fenugreek. It's very aromatic when you put in the curry chicken. And do not forget the curry powder. This is the meat curry powder, 1 bowl of this. Okay, and this one, all know this. What is this? This is turmeric. Malay call it kunyit. And the main things for the curry is must. Curry leaf is a must. Okay, and then you don't have this, you don't taste like curry, so it's a must. But for the another version, I will mix it with the parsley. With the parsley, we will chop it. Okay, and this here we got Holland onion or Bombay onion, galanga. Okay, and also ginger. Alright, this one for the paste. We want to do the paste. Okay, so we're back to the potato. We want to peel it off this, and I will do the paste and also the pound, mortar pound for this powder. Okay, you stay tuned for the next step. Now the potato is peeling off already, and we need to cut it. Cut it into chunk. Maybe you want to cut it into 4 also can, into 2 also can. So I want it in cut into this one small one. I cut into 2. Okay, so you can taste the potato. This one bigger one. Okay, the first part, the front part I cut into 1 piece, and this one I cut into 2. So you get this 3. The same procedure. Okay, the same procedure. You go like this. Big chunk. Okay, this is a big chunk, cut into 3. Okay, same. Okay, the potato is ready. Okay, for the next is the pound, the pound things. Okay, firstly we peel off the turmeric. We peel it off as usual. Okay, we peel it off, take out the skin. Okay, we don't want the skin, because the turmeric skin is very hard. They cannot bang until it becomes a paste. Okay, one of this. So in my case I need 3, because I like the color. When the yellowish color, orangey color in the curry, they turn it to be very eye-catching. When the food is eye-catching, so you eat more. I'm just joking. Okay, this is the number 3. Okay, the final one. Alright, so you got this ready. The skin we don't want, we throw it away. The next is the ginger. Ginger. So one ginger, this one size is around my thumb up. Okay, we depend on the chicken, how many chicken you use. If you use one whole chicken, you need ginger something like this, one thumb. Okay, same thing, peel it off the skin. Okay, we don't want the skin. This is done. Okay, and come to the next, galanga. We take only a part of this, small part, because we got ginger already. So this is the booster, the same family with ginger, but the taste is different. Ginger is taste spicy and also very mentholy, and galanga is not spicy, but galanga is a bit bitter. So if you put more galanga, it will turn bitter. So we need this one not too much. Okay, just for a booster flavor. Okay, then don't forget the shallot. Okay, I got 5 shallot for the chicken curry. Okay, if I do the chicken curry, I will put shallot mixed with the Bombay onion. You know why? Because the Bombay onion is sweet, the shallot is spicy, so you got sweet, spicy, so your taste of the curry will be turned out to be very delicious. Okay, you stay tuned for my next step. I want to pound this ingredient here. You stay on, yeah? Okay, the onion ready. We finely chop all the Bombay onion, shallots, and also ginger, galanga, okay, and turmeric. Okay, before we go to the pound mortar, okay, I want to pound this first. These 3 herbs, black pepper, fennels, and coriander seed. Okay, after this we will go in this all kind of wet item. So now we want to go to the pound mortar. Okay, this one you just grind it like this, turn it, they will slowly break and become powdery. After the powdery, then you can put your onion, your galanga, your ginger, your turmeric into a paste. You can pound it into a paste, yeah. Okay, the smell is here. Curry not yet ready, but the smell of the herbs, the curry ingredient is like you cooking curry chicken already. Wow, it's very aromatic. Okay, the herbs is already grind. finely. So the next step, I will put chuck in all the ginger, galanga, shallots, and also the Hollander Bombay onion. Okay, so all go inside to the pound mortar, and then you pound it. Okay, I pound it very fine, and then I mix with some water, so it become paste. Okay, so the paste is ready now. Okay, I forgot to tell you, in my curry chicken I got this, okay, coconut milk. Okay, coconut milk, this is around 300 grams of the pure coconut milk. Okay, pure coconut milk. Also water is 1 liter of water. I want the gravy, it will be reduced to around 700 ml, so the reduce is 300 ml. Okay, now we start the process of cooking. Okay, stay tuned. Alright, we need a stock pot. Okay, I already on the gas, okay, with a medium heat. We need some oil to fry the paste. So how much oil also will depend on you. I will put around 2 tablespoons of oil to do the paste that we already pound just now. Okay, now before we put the paste to fry it, we need to put the herb first. The main herb is this 4 items. One is the cinnamon stick. Okay, you can just chuck it like this, go down to the hot oil, and also the cardamom pot, the clove, okay, and also the fenugreek or halba. Okay, now all already chuck in. Okay, here the sizzling. Okay, not until very dry, just sizzling. Okay, you can hear the sound of the sizzling. The aromatic, you bring out the aromatic. This is all the aroma. Okay, meanwhile we're waiting for the cinnamon stick sizzling. Okay, we stand by for the paste and also the curry leaf. So the curry is very simple. You just pull like this, pull it like this. You can see the sound of sizzling. The sound very good. The sizzling sound, okay, sounds very good. Okay, this is the paste. Now going in the paste. Very nice one, very nice one. So the everything, the paste here, we just pour water into it. Okay, now the paste is sizzling. We need to put the chicken. Okay, we need to put the chicken fried with the paste, so the chicken will absorb the taste, more tasteful. Okay, all the chicken going in. Stir it well. Stir it well. You see this? Stir it well. So all the paste absorb in the chicken meat. You will get a very nice curry chicken. Okay. Before it turn dry, the paste with the chicken, okay, we need to put the curry powder as well. Okay, now the chicken is good, already combined with the paste. See that? Already combined. Okay, we will put the curry powder. So here is the curry powder. We just put it slowly like this. Slowly on the bottom also we need to put Okay, one part of this, and we stir. We stir to mix it. Okay, stir it. Okay, mix it well. See that? Powder is mixed well. Mixed very well. Okay. So the existing curry powder, you just pour it again. Okay. Then constantly stir. Not burn, don't burn the bottom. Constantly stir. Okay. Now it's mixed well. It's time to us to put water. Okay. I will put water of 1 liter water. Ah, look at that. Okay, it's already dissolved with the water. Turn out the yellowish color of curry. Okay, 1 liter of water is done. You need to mix it well. Okay, stir, slowly stir, don't break the chicken. Okay, slowly stir like this. Bring it to boil around 45 minutes. And lastly, you put the potato. You don't put the potato first because the potato will come soft and the curry gravy will come thicken. The potato will be starch. They got a lot of starch there. We don't want that starch to thicken our curry so much. Okay, stay tuned for the boiling. So now the curry is boiling. So we need to put the seasoning. The seasoning is very simple. Just salt. Okay, we got 1 liter of curry gravy. Just 3 pins of salt. Okay, 3 pins of salt is enough for the curry chicken. And not forget the sugar. We also need sugar for the taste of sweetness. Okay, just same also 3 pinch of sugar or 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Okay, bring to boil, stir it well, mix it well. Okay, so the chicken will be tender. We need around 45 minutes. Okay, before the 45 minutes, around 40 minutes, we will put the potato. Okay, now it's around 40 minutes. It's time to put the potato. Okay, the chunk of the potato, we now put it in into the curry. So we bring to boil the potato around 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Depend on your heat. So you will constantly check the potato by pop a knife into the center of the potato. So when you pop it, you come out the knife, you can see the cream of the potato. Just follow the knife. This means inside is creamy and tender. It should be done. Okay, potato now is already in. Okay, we bring it to boil for around 15 minutes and we will put the coconut milk. And also I will put the special ingredient at last. Stay tuned. Yes, now is the time to put the coconut milk. Okay, it's the coconut milk. Slowly pour in. Very nice one. You see the oil, existing oil curry has come out. And the coconut milk will break also the oil into gravy. So it's a very aromatic, very creamy. Okay, we stir it slowly, not to break the chicken. Very slowly. Okay, lastly, the special one. the tips that I want to tell you is the special ingredient. Okay, now I want to show you the special ingredient is the garlic. Okay, the chunk of the garlic. Okay, I just put it inside like this. Okay, the garlic will turn soft and it will come out aromatic in the curry. It will turn out very special taste. And don't forget, I want to chop this parsley. Okay, this is the parsley. I just put it in like this. Okay, you just close the lid and wait for the curry to break the oil. Okay, now the curry is ready. We're gonna scoop it out. Okay, get the chicken, big piece of chicken, potato, transfer to our bowl. Okay, this is chicken type. Also, don't forget the drumstick. Top up with some potato. Okay, this chicken curry we would like to eat with bun. Today's special one. So I got this two giant bun here, and I want to toast it at the griller pan. Okay, you just follow me. I want to toast this giant bun. Hot oil. Use some olive oil here. Okay, not much. Okay, so we are ready to toast our giant bun. I got this giant bun here for my chicken curry. Just chuck it like that. Chuck it like that. Press it. Press it. Okay, you just leave it for a while. The giant bun will go toast nicely at the bottom, and then we flip it up at the top side. Okay. So meanwhile, just waiting for this giant bun, I will tell you some story. Okay, the chicken curry is the best way to eat with bun, or you can go for the gardenia bun and rice, white rice, steamed rice. It's very nice with some fried veggie like the cabbage. You can fry it with turmeric powder. It's very tasteful. But don't forget also papadum. It's a cracker from India. That one also is very good combination with the curry. Okay, I think this bottom is quite done, so I want to flip it at the top one. Okay, not to burn, just make it hot. I want to eat with the curry. If it's too big, you can slice it into half. Okay. Okay, let's see at the top one. Okay, there is a line here, means it's hot. Okay, there's a line here, it means it's also hot. Okay, it's quite bouncing, the bun. Okay, I think the bun is ready, so I gotta pick it up, put at my tray. This is the wood tray. Okay, ready to eat this. Hi everyone, my curry chicken is ready now to eat. It's just ready for 2 hours. The curry chicken gorgeously, tremendously delicious. It's ready. together with my giant bun here. I'm gonna eat this giant bun with this curry chicken. Okay, I can't wait anymore. My mouth is so watery. Okay, I will break the giant bun now, and then I will dip it the curry. Wow, look at this curry with the giant toast bun. Very nice. Oh wow. Okay, I can't wait anymore for the drumstick. Very tender. Oh, wow. Very juicy. The tender and then break into part. Potato. Look at this potato. Just nice. The cook time is just correct. 15 to 20 minutes. It's done. Wow. Wow. You should try this at home. Just follow my recipe. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your Daily Meal Ideas. Oh wow. So stay tuned for my next video. Okay, bye bye.